it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing my monthly Boxycharm unboxing video. Every single month I take my Boxycharm and I show you guys a makeup tutorial using the products that are inside the box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products for you to try, and it's only $21 if I did not mention that already. As always, my Boxycharm videos are not sponsored. I do them because I want to do them. I think it's really fun to just sit down and open the box, go through everything, and kind of have girl talk. These are one of my favorite videos to film, and you guys love it when I do these types of videos, so I'm really excited to be back filming my March box. I know it's a little bit later in the month. Most of you guys, if not probably all of you guys, already received your box, but it's been a crazy March, so I'm really happy to be here filming this video for you all. Also, my skin is a little red, as you can see, like right over here and in some spots, because I did just finish exfoliating. My skin needed it. It was so dry and like flaky. I have been slacking on my skincare routine this past couple of days, and you can definitely tell, like, you can tell. And I did do a little bit of I kind of picked some of my little pimples, so don't mind that. We're gonna cover all of that in just a second. This month's theme is Rose, La Vie en Rose. This is a little unit carton, and when you turn it around, we have the prices of everything with a little description. Really quickly, I'm going to show you guys everything that was in my box, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on our skin and try it out. So the first thing that I see in my box is the MODA Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit, and this retails for $29.99. Keep in mind that the box retails for $21. The next thing that I see is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and this retails for $34. The next thing that I see is the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Monaco, and this retails for $20. Next, I got the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Shadow. This one is in the shade Gold. It's in the gold shade, and this retails for $21. The last thing that I see in my box is the CoverFX Perfector Face Palette, and this retails for $45. Mind you, you only pay $21 for the box, and you get all this. Wow, I'm really excited to try this. I think I'm going to start off with the Wonder Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask from Wonder Beauty. It says that it's a rose gold pearl peel off mask, contains a skin loving blend of fruit extracts to heal, purify, and replenish dull skin. It says to smooth and even layer all over face, avoiding the eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for mask to completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Lift off can also be used to spot treat around the nose or T-zone area. Okay, so now that the mask is on my skin, I'm going to wait like 15 minutes. I'm actually going to have dinner. I'm gonna wait for this to kind of, you know, dry, and then we'll be right back to apply the makeup. Skin feels really soft and like tight. I feel like my skin nice and tight, and like the pores are nice and like tight. So I'm going to really quickly fill in my brows, and then I'll be right back to finish off the rest of the makeup look using all of the products in the box. I decided to go ahead and do my face makeup off camera because the box this month is more featured like on the eyes and skin, and not so much on the base of the makeup, and that way we can also save some time. Go ahead and move straight into the eyes. I'm going to take the CoverFX palette that came in the box. So I'm going to take the shade Contour, which is also called Silhouette, and I'm going to pop this in the crease of the eye just to give us a little bit of definition. I'm going to take the gold liquid shadow, put this all over my entire lid to create kind of like a wet look. I'm not being super precise because it's okay if it gets everywhere. I'm going to kind of wing it out. Taking the fluffy brush from the kit that we got in the box, I'm just gonna wipe off the under eye bake. I'm taking the contour shade to contour the sides of my nose. Going back in with that big fluffy brush, I'm going to take the contour shade one more time and I'm going to contour my cheeks. Using that same brush, I'm going to pick up the blush. I'm going to take the bigger brush with the finishing powder, this one in the center, and I'm going to pretty much just apply this all over the skin and blend in that bake up to soften everything up. See how much smoother that looks? I have a huge pimple right here, so we're going to ignore that. But compare one side with the other side. This side just looks so much more soft. I'm going to take a pencil brush and the contour shade one more time, and I'm going to apply this on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the brightener shade and apply that in the inner corner of my eye and in the brow bone. Taking a little bit of the highlighter shade and pop this on the highest point of my cheek. Okay, so this highlight is a little bit dark for me. See how in certain lights it kind of looks muddy? So I'm going to go into the brightener shade and just pop that right on top to brighten that up so that it's not dark or muddy looking. I'm going to line my lips using my KKW lip liner in number 2. Now I'm going to fill in the lips with the OFRA Morocco liquid lipstick that we got in this month's box. Honestly, I think the lip is really pretty, but I don't think it goes with the gold eyeshadow that came in the box. I think I would have done something a little bit different. So what I'm going to do to kind of lighten it up a little bit is I'm going to add the Fenty Diamond Milk gloss. Alrighty you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. I decided to not apply lashes just so you can see that a look like this still looks really pretty with no lashes on. You don't have to go that extra step to apply false lashes. I personally have been trying my hardest to embrace my natural lashes and feel confident with my short little stubby lashes. But yeah, this is it. This is a completed look. I have to say that I really did enjoy the box. I think that my favorite product was definitely the mask and the CoverFX palette. And then my least favorite was definitely the gold shadow. I don't know if you can tell you tell right here? The eyeshadow is kind of cracking and it doesn't really set down, like it's kind of creasy a little bit, but the color is absolutely beautiful. But I do think this particular eyeshadow is the type of shadow that either you need to set down with like a powder or maybe apply a little bit of it. It's definitely not good for like an all over the lid like I did today, but it's still very beautiful and I love, love, love the color. Now, I really did enjoy the lipstick as well. I don't think these two kind of go together. I wouldn't pair a metallic eye with a metallic lip, but the color is so gorgeous and the brushes are stunning. They're very soft and they work pretty well and I really like them. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, as always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah!